Welcome to my interactive postcard. I am Stephanie Tuning with Tuning Design. If you got to this video by scanning the code on the back of the postcard, then you probably know how some of this works. But if you don't have a smartphone or you linked over from my website, then stay tuned and see how it all works. The first thing you'll need to do is download a free QR code reader application. I just searched QR code reader in the App Store, and this one with the zebra icon is the one that I selected, so I'll be using it in all of the examples today. So you open the app and select Scan and point your phone at the code. I'm actually scanning the code from a freeze frame from this video on my computer. It then asks if it's alright to go to a website. So go ahead and select Open, and it brings you into my web page. This code is actually a link to my bio page. So you have a picture of me and a little bit of copy about my background. And it's as easy as that. So stay tuned and I'll show you a few other examples. So here we're going to do another example. We're going to scan this keychain. So I center it, scan it, and it asks me if it's alright to go to a website. So I say yes, open it. Sometimes you get these little warnings, but I'm the one who scanned it, so I'm going to ignore it because I'm not worried about it. And this is taking you into my website. This code is a link to my landing page. And if you scroll up to the top, you'll still see all of the links, and the links will actually work on the smartphone, although it's pretty small to look at it. And here in this third example, I'm going to scan the code inside this frame, and it's going to take me to my portfolio on my website. So you can see samples of my work. I've got some logos on there that you can look at, as well as some brochures, some ads. I also have some banner ads if you ever need any web work, and some trade show displays. The last few examples of QR codes have taken us to web pages, but you can encode other information into them as well. You can create a code that will dial a telephone number or send an email. That's what we're going to do in this example. I'm scanning this code, and it's going to ask me if it's alright to start an email. I select Open, and it takes me right into the email program. I'm not going to send myself an email, but you can email me if you want. In this example, this code actually holds text. When you scan it, it's going to actually give us a message. You probably can't read that, but it's actually my tagline. It says Tuning Design, because sometimes you just need a good freelancer, which I think are words to live by. If you're as bad as I am at texting, then you're going to love this next one, because this code has contact information embedded into it in the form of a V-card. So you go ahead and you scan it, and then it takes you into a website. The website is going to ask you for your email address because it needs to send you the V-card as an attachment. I've already done it to save time, so I'll go ahead and check my email. And as you can see, it just comes in as an attachment. You select the attachment, all the information is in there, and you haven't had to type anything in. Isn't that great? Thank you for taking the time to view this video. So now you've seen a few samples of how these little codes work. It is estimated that about 30% of wireless subscribers now use smartphones, but that percentage is expected to jump this year. 45% of people polled in a recent Nielsen survey indicated that their next device will be a smartphone. With their increased popularity, we will be seeing more QR codes in mainstream marketing. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. Please contact me if you'd like to discuss any upcoming design projects or if you'd like to include a QR code in your next campaign. This is Stephanie Chewning with Chewning Design.